So today we'll be replacing the end links and these sway bar bushings on my 95 F150.
All right.
And I got these from Rock Auto, so they come with all the hardware and everything. We're good to go.
All right, we're going to provide a link in the description below. And
we will definitely provide a link in the description.
all right,
to
good.
rockauto.com.
You never know. I mean, some people are probably very curious on how to do this.
And also, when you put the sway bar bushings on, you want to make sure you put silicone paste in here, or else they will squeak.
All right, and you got a link for that silicone stuff?
Yeah, it'll
in
be
there?
right from Amazon, but yeah, we put that link in there too.
Okay, cool. All right, good deal.
All right.
Let's get to work. Yeah, L usually pertains to the driver's side. R usually pertains to the right side or passenger side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's...
I mean, we could just try it, and then, you know, that's the way it usually is, so.
So you can see the L and the R. So driver's side, passenger side.
Right. So, all right. So we'll be doing the driver's side first. There you go. Easy. Hey, Bob, slow down. You made that look too easy.
Yeah, surprisingly. It's that penetrating fluid, man.
Yeah, you like soaked it for how long? Like a day before?
Well, these I didn't even get to.
Oh.
I got to the ones up here.
Oh, way back there? Okay.
Yeah. So I didn't even get to these.
That's good then.
Surprisingly, that came right off. That penetrating one was pretty freaking quick.
So, yeah, you should usually put this penetrating fluid on like usually a day in advance. If you know
If you
you're
have a lot of rust,
working with a lot of rusted bolts and stuff.
I put the nut back on the end so I can hammer it. That way I don't mushroom the end of the bolt.
Right.
Now, about working this bolt out.
It's coming. Just like that. And you can see the differences between the old and new.
Yep. See the bushings on the old ones starting to fray, starting to crack.
Mm-hmm.
All new hardware too, which is good because you see these are getting rusted. I could actually clean those up with the wire brushes I have, but it comes with the new ones, so I'm gonna use the new ones. I might actually reuse these washers. The washers that come in the kit are very small.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
other than that though, I mean,
Good deal.
these should definitely help out the ride. Alright, so I'm going to put these the exact same way it was on the older ones too, with the bolt going in this way and not attaching to the other side.
Get on my shot, Bob. Look, Bob, I'm taking a shot of your camera taking a shot. So this was the part that Bob was trying to loosen. And as you can see, over here, It looks like this bracket here is supposed to keep these from turning.
Right.
So we had to go in from the other side. All right, one down.
Hello.
Oh, now it's a pillow.
It's better than the concrete.
I was saying earlier, like, you want me to lay on that? It's so dirty. Beggars can't be choosers, Bob. Oh, careful. You got it?
I do have the struts with me, yeah.
Careful, close your eyes.
Yeah, seriously.
Get some debris. Yeah, Bob, you should have your safety glasses on.
Yeah, that's true. I did buy them for that reason.
Don't try to force it. You only make it worse when you try to force. So go with the right side. Yeah, go with that side. There you go. All right. Yeah, they really don't look bad.
They look really good. But I'm going to replace them anyway since I already have the new ones.
Yeah,
But
I mean,
this is definitely a purchase that I need to make right now.
it's definitely reassuring that you probably will never have to replace them again.
Yeah, that's true. The question is, I might have to cut these off.
Yeah, I would just cut them. You're going to have to probably just slide them along the whole bar until you get them in position, right?
The new ones actually have a little cutout in them that you kind of just like put them over.
Oh, okay. Well, that makes
These,
it a
it
lot
looks.
easier.
Oh, there we go. It does have a
Yeah,
cutout.
right there. Easy then. Split it. That looks like brand new now.
1995.
Yes, sir.
Now I gotta remember how to put it back on. Which way?
You know, that way.
Sure. Alright, now I'm gonna add my silicone paste to where these bushings will mount. I'm gonna add quite a bit all over it. Pretty big area, that way if I have to slide them or anything, it'll still be covered. Squeeze it out. That's one.
One down.
Same thing on the other side. Alright. New bushing on. Brackets on. Fairly easy, yep. And it's time to put it all back together. That's one. These are going to 37 foot-pounds. Oh, there you go. 37 foot-pounds. The other two. 37.
One more.
37. Good to go. All right. we go. One at 70. 70.
There you go.
All right.
Ooh, one more.
All right. And that's it. Let's go for a test drive.
All right, Bob. Got it all done, right?
All done.
Here's all the old ones.
Out with the old, in with the new.
Yep. And we didn't experience any kind of noises or...
No, we did not
clunks.
experience any new noises, but we still have the noises from the, I believe it's the tie rod bushing.
Oh, right. Yeah, I definitely heard that.
So I think what I'm going to do is just replace the whole tie rod system. Both sides.
Is that coming up next?
Either that or the struts. Probably the struts because they're a little bit easier.
Right.
But then, yes, we will be getting to that. And then hopefully it'll ride even better.
All right.
But it definitely feels better just from these bushings.
All right.